Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to you in our show, Dark Deer Hack News. Our news today focusing on SCADA hack on Florida water system. This attack happened in February 8, 2021. A hacker gained access into the water treatment system of Oldsmar, Florida. Look at how the attacker were able to increase the concentration of sodium hydroxide, and commonly referred to as a lye. The water systems are at risk for many types of cybersecurity attacks, such as ransomware, phishing, and compromise of remote access. So what has happened in Florida?
Dark Deer News coming up with what happened in Florida by using attack method of compromised using the remote access software TeamViewer application. And this is one of the weak points in security and actually hadn't been used by the site in about 6 months, where the hacker able to control of water treatment plant by using the supervisory control and data acquisition or the SCADA network. They know how to use the SCADA and make actually manually change the set point for the chemical dosing.
Dark Deer News coming up with what the impact of the attack. Impact of the attack: the attackers through those manual changes were applied to modify the concentration of sodium hydroxide, which is sometimes commonly known as a lye, and basically increase it over 100 times, raising it from 100 parts per million over 11,000 parts per million. And so just some background, sodium hydroxide is commonly used water treatment system, and the intent is to control the pH and keep it from the becoming too acidic, and this really one of the main ways in which water treatment facilities minimize corrosion and prevent lead from dissolving into water.
It's important to have sodium hydroxide from a protection standpoint, but when raised to the high of levels, not only can it cause a very serious illness and disease, and also it can cause major pipe damage and really increase that corrosion.
Fortunately, before we get the possible consequences, the operator did note the change occurring in the system in the human-machine interface. The operator immediately reduced the level back by reset the sodium hydroxide concentration back to the appropriate level. It is unknown if the breach happened from someone locally, nationally, or even outside of the United States. But what we know that the attacker come from wide range of different skills because was trying to attack and had attack being more sophisticated in design by hid visibility in terms of the set point that were being changed and were sending incorrect values and disabling alarms.
Dark Deer News coming up with consequence of this attack: health and safety risks, environmental risk, financial risks.
That is scary of the consequences of this attack. My question is how to protect our system.
How to protect the system? Don't using the same password for all computer. Make sure to apply the firewall and unnecessary programs that should be removed using a virtual private network, train personnel and contractors.
And that all of this today. We are Dark Deer News. Have a great day.